What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when your microphone is not working on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. First, type microphone privacy in your taskbar search to open up your native microphone privacy settings. On this window select Change to make sure that your microphone is allowed to access your device. Below, you should also make sure that your applications are allowed to access your mic. When this is done, right-click the sound icon in your taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. On this window, make sure to set the output and input device to your main device. Under Manage Sound Devices, you can select to test or disable your devices. This is essential to troubleshoot any hardware issues. In your advanced sound settings, you can assign the input and output devices for each application, as well as changing the volume. After tweaking your settings, you can close this window and search for Device Manager in your taskbar search and hit Enter. On this window, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Here, right-click the input sound device you prefer to use, select Update Driver, and make sure to search automatically for updated driver software. This will take a minute to make sure that your device's driver is up to date. As a last resort, you should uninstall recently installed applications which have permission to use your microphone. This could be Skype, Discord, or a game running on your system. In order to troubleshoot which application is causing the issue, open up your Task Manager by right-clicking your taskbar and selecting it. Here in the Processes tab, make sure to end these programs and other applications which you don't need to be running in the background. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.